Physical and chemical changes in matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Everything around us is made up of matter. Take a look at these three pictures. Here you're looking at a picture of a river, a snowy mountaintop, and a foggy day. What do all these pictures have in common? Press pause and return to the video when you have entered your answer below and respond to one of your classmates. What all these pictures have in common is that they are different forms of water. Looking at the picture of the river, what state of matter is that water in? A liquid. What about the snowy mountaintop? What state of matter is that water in? A solid. Looking at the picture of the foggy day, what state of matter is that water in? A gas. Water is unique and can be found in three different states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Now with your designated partner, turn and talk and discuss the following question. In your opinion, what is the relationship between states of matter and the physical and chemical changes in matter? Changes in matter can be classified as either physical or chemical, like matter properties. Physical changes include changes in physical appearance, but not composition. So for example, if I take this paper and rip it in half, or fold it, or crumble it, all I simply did was change its size. I didn't create anything new, it's still paper. A change to a substance without forming a new substance, such as changing size or state of matter, is a physical change. A chemical change involves changes in chemical composition and requires a chemical reaction. So for example, if I take baking soda and add vinegar, the combination produces a foamy substance, and you can even hear some fizzing. All the things that we see, hear, or feel are evidence of a chemical change. Some of these things can include color change, light formation, gas bubbles, formation of a precipitate, or heat. A chemical change is a change that alters the identity of a substance, resulting in a new substance or a substance with different properties. Today, your objective is to distinguish if a chemical or physical change has occurred and to provide an example of each by creating a chemical and physical changes poster board by participating in a gallery walk. Matter can change in two ways, physically and chemically. Scan the QR code or click the link below and follow along in your interactive journal. Your job is to record your observations on what's happening, changes observed, and the type of change, physical or chemical, as I conduct the following demonstration. In this demonstration, you will be observing the changes that happen when an ice cube melts. But before we do that, make a prediction. Do you think melting ice is a physical change or a chemical change? Tell me why. Write your response in your interactive journal. As you watch the following time-lapse video of an ice cube melting, record your observations on your online interactive journal. What were your conclusions? Did you determine melting ice to be a chemical change or a physical change? Scan the QR code below and join my quizzes poll. Welcome back and thanks for participating in my quizzes poll. And I have some food for thought. How can you make a distinction between a chemical change and a physical change? Just to recap what we've learned so far, matter has physical and chemical properties that determine what types of changes can happen. These changes can be physical or chemical changes. Physical changes are changes to a substance without forming a new substance, such as changing shape and size or state of matter. For example, taking a bite of an apple. Chemical changes are changes to a substance that alter its identity and create a new substance with the new properties. For example, striking a match. This week, you will be participating in a virtual gallery walk. We will be using Padlet as our platform. Simply scan the QR code and join your team. I have already assigned members to each team, and I have already assigned a term to each team. Your job is to create a physical or chemical changes poster board that includes both the English and Spanish term, a good definition, and an illustration to represent the term. You will also be creating a question to display above your poster. You will have 2 days to complete this poster with your team members. By Friday, we will be participating in a virtual gallery walk where we will visit each team's poster, answer the question, and add an illustration that represents the term. Student roles will be posted in Google Docs. You can determine the role that you want to play in your team. If you have any questions, send me a chat or join my tutoring sessions Monday through Friday, 9 to 11. Have fun. Bye.